So I got this Poiuzet smartwatch off of Amazon. It was like $10. So I'm just gonna do the unboxing so you can see what's here. So had to get this off first. It's actually kind of tough to get that little thing off of there, but as you'll see, I did manage to do so. Now, let's get this. Okay, there we go. There we go. This way. Okay. Well, that was a little bit of a mess. So anyway, it's called the IW1 Lite Smart Watch Quick Start Guide there. Got all the instructions you might hope to see. Got a charger. It's got one of those weird little ends on it there. Here's the watch, smartwatch, fitness watch, whatever you want to call it. Basically, you take this thing off. That's just on the front of it, and it says you want to make sure that you charge the watch before you do anything. So on the back, get this thing here, and it's like when you charge it, this is going to go right in there. It's going to click fit right in there. Okay, it's that easy. We'll plug that in, charge it up, and it'll be working. And then the instructions here are how to set the time, whatnot. It's a cute little watch, very similar to, if not the same as the one I had. And anyway, there you go. Thank you.